Hello, welcome back to my channel. Are you new here? I'm sure you are. Let's get this beautiful, silky, soft, smooth hair together. We are gonna take our hair from this to this. The key to having good, shiny hair is good hair care. Always. Use a good quality shampoo and conditioner and you will get these results. Start by brushing your shampooed and conditioned hair. I have used the Tresemme Lamella Gloss range here. Starting off with the Schwarzkopf Cashmere Mousse. I'm using this for the bang section only. Massaging it and applying and coating every single strand very evenly and nicely so that the product is applied well. Now get a round brush. It can be any tool, the Alan Truman Revlon hair tool or a plain brush. I'm using the Dyson round brush attachment here. And the key here is to keep going through the sections again and again evenly so that you get that bounce and volume in your bangs. Like to get that curtain bang effect, this is a must step. What I do is go over, under, from the left and from the right on this bang section again and again so that the bangs stay in place and the mousse is activated. Actually, the mousse only acts when you use heat, remember that. Just using the mousse will not give you the volume. Now you can get your rollers or keep the brush attachment like I have. If you have a Dyson, this works. Now for the length of my hair, I go with the paddle brush attachment. It's my favorite attachment. Using the It's a Miracle hair mist, it acts as a leave-in conditioner, hair protector and everything. It has 10 benefits in one. Again, I detangle my hair. It's a must before styling. Now going through each section of the hair with the paddle brush slowly and gently. Every single section needs to be focused. Whichever tool you're using, remember to use it on sections of hair, not grab the whole hair in one go. Keep repeating the steps and if possible use high heat so that it acts faster. Using low heat for longer periods and repeating sections again and again will actually cause you more damage. Doing this takes less than 5 minutes for me, like overall not more than 10 minutes after every hair wash. And I have been using Dyson for almost 4 years now. I got the first model you can see when it was originally launched and it is working absolutely fine and it has helped me save my hair so much. Imagine actually styling my hair after each hair wash with a hot tool. I would have had damaged my hair so much. Repeated the same steps on the other side and now removing the roller and you get this beautiful bounce and volume. You have to comb it through to get that effect. For the finishing step, using again the Tresemme Lamellar Serum, I use one range if possible for better results. This gives you that immense gloss and shine. It smells good and makes your hair feel soft and amazing. And remember to coat your strands well with serum, not just apply it superficially. See how I'm twisting each strand? This actually helps with the absorption of the product. You don't need much products, just 3 basic things: a good heat protectant, a good styling tool, and a good serum. And a good hairbrush, of course. Brushing your hair is a must according to me. I don't know how people go on without brushing. I can never. Like brushing gives me the smoothest silky hair. And obviously I have straight hair, so brushing helps with that. I cannot tell you about curly hair rituals. Hope you liked my tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel.